Hi, this is Annika Erickson. I'm a cultural anthropologist. I work as a professor in Minnesota, and I'm speaking to you from Minnesota now, but this summer I will be headed to Mongolia, where I've focused my research over the past decade. I'm interested in how Mongolian nomadic herders are dealing with environmental challenges, particularly climate change. And this summer, I'm privileged to be able to contribute to a suite of ACMS field courses that are taking place in Mongolia, and I will be co-leading a course on climate change and herding with my Mongolian colleague Batboyan Batjau. He's a very well-respected Mongolian geographer who has collaborated with numerous researchers from across disciplines and from many different countries. Together we will be taking a group of students, teachers, lifelong learners, a diverse team to 3 different eco-zones in Mongolia. From Ulaanbaatar, the capital, we're going to travel west. We'll visit the mountains of Arhangai, the grasslands around the ancient capital of Harharan, and then the edge of the Gobi Desert. And we'll be meeting herders along the way and some former herders to see how climate change is actually impacting people on the ground. You don't have to be fluent in Mongolian or know any Mongolian to join us. We will teach you a little bit. But for these interviews, we'll divide into teams and we'll have translators. This is a great way to gain firsthand experience using interviews for social science research. In addition to this qualitative interview data that we'll be collecting, we're going to look at meteorological data, so measurements of precipitation and temperature at different environmental monitoring stations in the regions we're visiting. And we'll be able to juxtapose the qualitative and the quantitative data and see how herders' testimonies add a lot to our understanding of exactly what's happening on the ground with climate change in Mongolia. This is an extremely important area of research, I think, especially because some of the groups that are being most affected by climate change are also among the least responsible for carbon emissions and climate change, and that includes Mongolian herders. Hope to have some of you join me on this journey this summer. It's going to be incredible. Thanks.